Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HD Products. In this movie, I am going to show you how to set up access rights for your employees. I will be using HDPOS Smart as an example, but the process lies same if you have any of our other products. I suppose you know how to create different employees and their accounts and logins. If you do not know that, kindly go to the description section and find a tutorial for the same. Let us see how we can give access rights to our employees. For that, first we need to click on the setup button. And as you can see in my employee modules, I already have 3 employees created with their logins and password. Now we will go inside access rights. Inside access rights, you will see all the functionalities are listed down here in the functionality column. All the buttons in the application are considered as functionality and all of them are listed here. It is a pretty exhaustive list of functionality that HD Products allows you to customize and give access. For easy management, you can also create functionality groups and then give access right to your employees. But that I will be covering in my next video. For now, we are just going to see how we can block a specific function for any of your employees. Now suppose I do not want my employee Swikriti to get inside the setup button. So for that, what we will need to do is click Alt, Alt or alternate button from your keyboard. Then from your mouse, just give a right click on this button and then leave both the buttons. This is a process of copying the path of any of the button. You can click on any of these buttons and copy the path in the same way. Click on Alt and then right click on the button. Just to check if we have correctly copied the path, what we can do is we can open a notepad and just paste it over here. See, POS main setup. POS main is the main screen window and here is the setup button. We have copied the path properly. Now we can minimize this window and get inside the setup button to go inside the access right modules. Click on access right modules. In the functionality column, click on any of the functionality over here and then Ctrl plus F from your keyboard. And then what we need to do is we need to paste the path over here again. POS main setup and then click on find next. As soon as you click on find next, the POS main functionality of the setup button will appear and will be highlighted. So now what we want to do is we want to restrict this access from my employee Swikriti. What we need to do for that is click on this and then drag it from here, drop it down on the name of Swikriti. As soon as I dropped it down over here, you see a new line has been added up over here. In the last column, you can see it reads access and the value over here is 1. 1 means the access is allowed. You need to make it 0 in order to restrict access for the employee. For that, we will right click over here and click on do not allow access. This will make it 0 and the access will be restricted from this particular login. Now to check, we will just switch the user if our employee Swikriti is able to see the setup button or not. We will go back to the main screen for that. Click over here on the switch user button. Then click on yes and wait for a while till the application reopens and comes to the login screen. The login screen has appeared. Now we will log in with the ID Swikriti. Click on OK. Now you see we have logged in with the login ID Swikriti, which is our employee, and see the setup button is not appearing here anymore. So this is how you can restrict access from any of these buttons that you can see on your screen, or if you go inside and there are different modules, if you want to restrict access from different modules, this is the same way that you have to follow. Now in my next tutorial, I will show you how to make a functionality group and then assign it to the logins, and also how to import and export the access rights from one system to another or from one database to another if you are starting a fresh database. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.